Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted on this platform in a year and I am very sorry about that. I've been busy and lazy. So today I decided to film a YouTube video again. What I want to do with this channel is to convert it in more of like a production DIY, how do I do my production stuff type of channel. So basically all of my short films, how I make my short films, all my photo shoots on Instagram, how I make all those, and also like the behind the scenes of the stuff I usually put on TikTok. If I want to know all of that, I know there's other people who probably want to know how to do that or are looking to start into production type of things, or like just trying to be more creative with how they post and create content. So this is basically what that's gonna be. Today's video is me doing a photo shoot. I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot that I saw the inspo for on my Pinterest. Y'all can follow me on my Pinterest there. Usually I have all of my ideas on there, and I have my little folders on content creation, ideas, concepts, all that sort of stuff. So my inspo for today's shoot is this picture right here. What I'm gonna do, I bought 2 rolls of aluminum foil. I have this one wall in my living room. I'm gonna be moving my couch and I'm gonna be moving my bar cart and my coffee table for, so we can do the setup. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do all of that, how I set up things. I will be doing my makeup as well. I'm gonna be posting that on my TikTok though, so if you want to see how I do the look I'm gonna do for this shoot, make sure you check that out. Here is my TikTok. Go follow me on there. This is the makeup look I'm going to be using for the shoot. Now we are going to be moving around some furniture to make our set happen. Okay guys, we're in my living room. I have a very small living room. I live in New York City. Apartments are small. So we're going to be moving my furniture out of the way because this is the wall I want to use. This right here, this little wall next to the closet. That's a bar cart. I'm taking that out, and then there's my couch. We're also going to be moving that. Let's move things. So I was able to clear out this section of my apartment. Everything's a mess right now. It's just like all on this side, but it's cleared. That's what's important. To do the backdrop I want for the shoot, I'm going to be using aluminum foil. I'm using 2 packs of, what is this, 25 square feet. Both, and then some tape. I'm using clear tape because if it was a color tape it could show up if I don't tape it properly, so that way I don't have to use my brain more than I have to. Clear tape. This project in total is costing me about like 10 bucks to make, maybe less, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna be covering this whole wall behind me and a little bit of the floor. This was literally a workout to put on, but it's fully on. I don't really mind the lines out like that because it's gonna be like this, so I don't really want to put more tape on there. I ran out of aluminum foil, so that's why it's not the most perfect flooring, but it'll do. Whatever is left that will show up in the pictures can be fixed in post. So now we're gonna put the fit together. I'm gonna be doing like a blazer moment. Let me show you guys. So these are the glasses I want to wear for it. I think they look really cool. Motomami Rosalia vibes. Gonna wear some tights as well and a blazer. I'm gonna put it on. Let's see how it looks. I need to push the couch more because as you can see this is way too close. But let's start taking some pictures. I'm using my Canon 70D. I'm gonna put a link down below of how I set it up for it's a YouTube video that I follow to set it up to have like the best quality I can out of it. So I'll just link that video down below and I'm gonna start taking my pictures. For posing stuff, I just learned throughout the years from looking at other videos, looking at pictures, and my mom used to model as well, so sometimes she just make me like poses and stuff, and like she taught me a little bit too. So I don't know, whatever looks good, whatever makes you feel comfortable. Yeah, just make sure all of your limbs are always showing. If not, it looks like one of them is cut off. And make sure that you have good posture, because those are like the two top things I always have issues with. Oh, and my head, I don't know why, a lot of my pictures my head looks tilted up. So just, you know, if you're aware of those little things that are problems for you and you know how to fix them. So I finished with the shoot. I took the clothes off because I was literally sweating under the lights and everything. My setup was pretty simple. I used my camera and I ended up also doing pictures on my phone because, I don't know, my camera was just not giving what I wanted it to give. So I ended up using my phone. But yeah, I only used a ring light and a little box light that is right above my camera to shoot. I'm gonna be editing pictures now. Okay guys, I cleaned everything up. I have some pictures on my phone. I'm gonna show you guys how I edit the ones on my phone. The camera ones, I'm also gonna edit them the same way, so it's not really a difference. I'm just lazy and I don't feel like transferring the ones in the camera to my phone right now. Disclaimer, I do Photoshop my pictures, okay? I super clear about that. Like, I tell everyone that, like, yeah, I Photoshop my pictures, I cinch my waist, I make myself look hotter. I do. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong with that, because I personally don't care. Like, I could upload a picture without editing it if I wanted to, but I see my pictures, especially the ones I do like that, more of an artistic, like, portrait instead of a Instagram post. If y'all are worried about my mental health for editing my pictures, photoshopping them, we're Gucci. But yeah, I always tell people, because I don't want anyone to look at me and try to compare themselves to me. I'm far from perfect, so please don't compare yourself to me, especially my pictures. They're all photoshopped, they're all fake. Social media is fake, guys. So let's get on with editing now. Okay, so first thing I do is I choose what pictures I want to use. First app I like to go into is FaceApp. I do pay for the subscription for this. It's really cheap. I think it's like $5 a month, and I can use all of the features of it on here. I have issues with my hair. That's like one of my biggest insecurities. I have super thin hair and my hair is falling off too. So I'm going to add some volume onto my hair. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I don't want to make it look fake. That's the last thing I'm trying to do, is make it look fake. So it's a little bit of hair. Sizes, okay. My lips look fine, my nose looks fine. Do want to make my face a little bit smaller because girl, got a double chin and big cheeks. So yeah, that's just a little bit. Still looking like myself, which is very important. You do not want to post a picture you do not look like yourself. So if you're photoshopping your pictures, just be careful with that. Don't OD when it comes to that. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight as well, just to add a little bit of glow on my face. Just a little. There we go. Skin looks fine. Features, okay. Cheekbones, let's get those cheekbones in check. And then long lashes, because you can't see my eyelashes on here. And that's literally it. I am like done with that when it comes to the photoshopping portion of it. PicsArt I also pay for the subscription for. I do not remember how much it is. I'll probably put it on the screen. But I like to use it as well to further edit my pictures. Now, I do know how to use Photoshop on my computer and Lightroom and all those sort of things, but it's just so much easier to do it on my phone. Like, it's just so much easier. So first of all, I'm gonna crop my picture how I want to crop it. Move it around. I just want to have the line of aluminum right there. Okay. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Cool. That's the picture. Now, whatever is not covered in aluminum foil, we are going to fix that. So I'm just going to go to Tools, and I'm going to go to Clone, I think. Let's see how it looks with Clone. I'm going to do Clone. I'm going to do big size here. That, and then put it on the side. Yeah, that looks fine. Cool beans. Some here, and then on the side. Next thing I like to do here is retouch, go to HD portrait. It just emphasizes the quality and makes it look more detailed in a way, and like not as pixelated, which is something I like. I do not leave this all the way up like this though. This is way too much. I'm gonna get it down to like 30, I think. Yeah. See, it just gives a little bit of a oomph to the picture. And then I like to go to details and just go over my face to highlight my face. Maybe some details of the blazer, my stomach a little bit, nothing too crazy. I'm just going to like, say it's nothing too crazy, not too much. I still look kind of chubby, but it looks good. Now I'm going to download it, and my final app that I use for my pictures is VSCO for my filters. You can literally go here. It tells you like pictures, like edits for this photo that you can also do if you don't know how to like edit in that sense, which is cool. But I have my own little presets here. Now that's it. If I want to add any effects to the picture, I use Prequel. Now Prequel, I do not pay for the subscription, so I'm very limited on the things I can use on Prequel. However, it does have really cool effects you can use for free. So here's my picture. Now again, usually I would just leave it at this if I wasn't going to do any effects on it, but I was thinking why not, because of the aluminum, make it look kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm just going to play here and see what I can find. Lower the intensity. Yeah, that's fine. That looks good. Filter, I'm going to get a little lower on that. Remove the grain, I don't like it. But I just added more grain. I'm going to leave a little bit of grain, maybe 10. The glow, definitely lower the glow to 0. Dispersion is fine. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's my picture. I think I'm going to add, let's see, stylize. Vignette. I love using logo vignette around. It just, so cool. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to edit all the other ones and show you guys at the end. And this is how my pictures turned out. You can check them on my Instagram already. But yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys!